live. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. My name is Tony Petrova. I'm the face behind this page. And today we have a very special interview with my lovely business partner, Jade, from the Philippines. She's living in UAE. And I'm very happy to have her with me. But first, for context, I would like to say that this interview is happening as part of a 6 month program, the business growth program that we are part of. And for me, it was not possible to record a live stream without having 100 followers. So thank you to everyone who has followed my page in the past week. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And without your support, this talk today was not possible to happen. So appreciate all of you. Thank you very much for your support. And now back to Jade. Jade, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay,
Hi
everybody.
everybody.
Good morning, good
Good morning,
afternoon,
good
and good
afternoon, and
evening,
good evening,
wherever you are
wherever
tuning
you are
in
tuning
from.
from.
My name is Jed
My name is Jen
Lopez, and yes,
Lopez,
I am
and yes, I am
here in
here
United
in
Arab
United
Emirates.
Arab Emirates.
I am a
I am a
current restaurateur. I
restaurateur.
run my
I
own
run my
restaurant
own
here in
restaurant here in
UAE, and
UAE,
also a
and
proud
also
digital
proud digital
entrepreneur.
entrepreneur.
And yes,
And
I am
yes,
so
I
happy to
am
be
so happy
here.
to be
Thank you,
here. Thank you,
Tony, for having
Tony,
me.
for having me.
Thank you, Jade, for this lovely introduction. And I also want to add that me and Jade, we've known each other for some time, and she's like my sister in the business because we share the same mentor, our lovely mentor Vesi. Shout out to Vesi. Vesi, we love you.
How is that
So,
word?
so she's a big, no, Jet is a big inspiration to me. She's leading the way, and I'm just getting inspired watching her hit her milestones. So well done, Jet. Thank you for inspiring me. And and now I'll ask. Yeah, I'll ask you the next question now. So when you found this business, was it accidental? Were you looking for something like that, or did you stumble upon it accidentally?
Actually, since I am running
I'm
my own
running my own
restaurant,
restaurant,
I have
I have
all these
all these
challenges.
challenges.
I face
I face
many things.
many things.
So
So
I came to a
I came
point
to a
that
point that
I know that I have
know
to
that I
find
have to find
something that will
what
work for
will
me
work for me
to supplement
to
my
supplement
income,
my income,
personal income.
personal
Because
income.
of
Because
course, when you
of
are a
course, when
restaurant
you're a
owner,
restaurant owner,
the priority
the
is not
priority is
yourself;
not
it is
yourself.
your
It is your
investment. So
investment.
you will
So
need
you will
to,
need to.
you'll have to have
You'll
some
have to have some
sacrifices at
sacrifices
some
at
point.
some point.
So I know
So
I need
I
to
know I need to
do something
do
else.
something else.
I was
I
thinking,
was
I was
thinking, I
thinking,
was
contemplating for
contemplating for
if I am
if I
going
am
back to my
going back to my
work,
work,
like the
like
corporate
the
world,
corporate
because
world,
it's
because
a slow
it's a
path.
slow path.
But
But
thinking
thinking
how
how
my life
my life
has been
has been
before,
over
and
and
having
having
another
another
responsibility for the
responsibility for
resto,
the rest of
it won't work.
won't work.
I cannot
I
give
cannot
half
give
and
half
half,
and half,
half to the resto,
half the
half to
rest of
my
half of my
responsibility back there,
responsibility
because
back
that
there.
is a
That
very
is a
important,
very important
responsibility. So I
responsibility.
cannot
So
do
I
that.
cannot do that.
I was
I
looking.
was
I know that
looking.
there
I
is
know that
something
there is
out there.
something.
It's just that I
It's
don't
just
know
that I
what it
don't
is.
know what it is.
So,
So,
good thing
good thing
Bessie
this
is
is
actually
actually
an
an
acquaintance
acquaintance
already.
already.
There is some
There is some
connection
connection to
my
my
husband's
husband's
company
company
and
and
her husband.
her
So
husband. So
I I've been seeing
I've
her
been
ad.
seeing her ad.
Actually, not the ad.
Actually, not the ad.
Just with
Just
normal
with
post
normal
on her
post
social
on her
media.
social media.
So
So
I saw it
I saw it
before, but I
before,
never
but
paid
I
any
never paid
attention
any
at all.
attention at all.
Until she
Until
came
she came
to dine
to
in
dine
for
in
their
for their
say send
say
off
send off
because they're going
because
back
they're
to
going
work.
back to work.
So we
So
hosted
we
the
hosted the
just
just
four of us,
four of
my
us,
husband
my husband
and the people.
the people.
And I
And
suddenly
I suddenly
remembered.
remembered.
So I asked
So I
her,
asked her,
"That's the story."
"What's
I
the
asked her,
story?" I
"What
asked her,
is it?" She said,
It
"That's
said,
a digital
"That's a
business."
digital
And
business. And
okay,
okay,
just
just
sign into
sign
my
into my
website. You can get all the
you can get all the
information.
information.
We immediately do it.
Immediately do it.
And
And
there and then,
there
I
and
know
then I know
this is what
this
I'm
is what
looking
I'm
for.
looking for.
But still, it
But
took
still,
me a
it
week,
took me a week,
just a week,
just a week,
just a week
just a
to
week to
decide
decide
because
because
she told me,
she
she
told
said,
me
do
that
your due diligence,
due diligence,
study it,
study it,
check out,
check out,
explore,
explore,
ask me
ask me
questions, and I
questions,
did.
and I did.
I asked
I
tons of
asked tons of
questions because I've never
because I've
been into
never been into this kind
business,
of
this
business, this
online
online
networking. I
networking.
didn't know
I
any
didn't
of
know
it.
any of
I
it.
have no
I have
idea.
no idea.
So I was
So
thinking,
I was thinking,
okay, I have to know
I
what
have to
it
know
is
what it is
first before I jump
before
in.
I jumped in.
And that 1
And
week
that
really
1
gives
week
me
really
the
gives me the
information I need.
information I need.
And
And
yes,
yes,
right after
right
that,
after that, I
no, it is for
know it
me.
is for me.
Still, 1 week is super, super fast.
I know.
I know.
So you must have really, really been impressed. Although you say you did due diligence, but that's so fast, 1 week. Well done. I took 2 years.
That was
long
long.
2 years, but yeah, you know, everyone is different, I guess. We have a comment from Maria Gurley. She's saying, "Hello, ladies, watching from Norway." Hi, Maria.
Hi, Marie. Hi, sis.
Hi, sis.
Thanks for watching us. So, next question. Why did you decide to go for this business? What made you choose that business? What stood out for you?
Because
the
I
fact
can
that
do
I
it
can do it
alongside with my
alongside
other
with my other
responsibility.
responsibility.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, it can fit in your already busy schedule.
Yes.
Yes.
I
So,
see.
So
spending
spending
a
a
couple
couple
of
of hours
here
here
or more if
or
I
more
have
if
more
I have more
would be more than
would be
enough.
more than
to-
enough to run the business.
Yes,
So that's
that's really one big advantage of this business, really.
correct.
correct.
Yeah.
It works
For
for
me,
many.
Works for many.
Yeah. So many. When I thought about it, it's there's the advantages of an online business compared to the traditional one. That's on one side, and then as an online business of itself, there's also so many advantages as well. So really, I think anyone can find an advantage in this business. It's so many.
Yes,
So
world of
many.
World of
difference.
difference.
Yeah. Okay, so what was your personal why?
For starting
For
the
starting
business.
the business.
Yes, for starting the business.
When I put
When
up
I
my
put up my
restaurant,
restaurant,
that is because
that
I
is
wanted
because
to
I
become
wanted
my
to
own.
become my own.
I want to
I want to retire
early,
early,
enjoy life.
enjoy life.
So I
So
found
I found
better way
better
or
way
faster
or
way
faster
to do it.
way to do it.
And this is the
And this
digital
is the
business,
digital business,
the thriving one.
thriving one.
So that is
So
my
that is
why,
my why
because it's not
it's
easy
not easy
to
to
achieve
achieve
something very
something very
significant in
significant
life
in life
nowadays.
nowadays if
If you are
you
employed,
are employed,
if you are
or
normally employed,
normally employed,
it will
it will
it will take
it will
some
take
time
some
to
time
do that.
to do that.
Yeah, it does give the option to retire early and to leave a legacy to your family as well, which is amazing. One of the amazing benefits of this business. And we all want to retire early.
So looking
So
forward
looking
to it.
forward to it.
Yes, yes. Who wants to work till they're in their 60s? Yes.
And
And
we can
we can
tell the
the
world when
world when we are
we where we can,
where we can, when
we are able
we are
to do
able
it.
to do it.
If there is an
If there is an
opportunity,
opportunity,
that we can
that
do
we
it,
can do it.
take it.
Of course, of course. I want to go back to my country, and because there are not many options for work there that would give me a solid income. Uh, I just wanted to do something online that I can work from anywhere and have uncapped income potential. So that fits. That business was a good fit, and it ticked that box for me.
All fixed.
All fixed box.
Yeah. So after you started the business, did your life change, and how?
Oh yes,
Oh yes, actually,
it changed me
changed me
in a very
in a
positive
very
way.
positive way.
Because now
Because now I have
my perspective has
perspective
changed.
has changed.
I have
I have
another
another direction
that
that
is
is
working
working
for
for
both passions
both
now I'm
passions
doing.
now I'm doing.
So
So
because
yes, because
you are just
you are
thinking of
just
all
thinking
the
of all the
challenges, the struggles of
struggle
one
of
thing.
one
You
thing.
will be just
You will be
it will
just
just all
it
be
will
on
just
your
all
head.
be on your head.
Now
Now
having a
having
new
a new
mindset, which is
mindset,
very
which is very
important.
important.
I was able
I
to
was able to
better,
better,
and it gives me
and it
more
gives me more
more
like
capability
capability to
make a better
make a better decision.
Yeah.
So yes, it
So
changed
yes,
me.
it changed me.
I don't want to
I don't want to
expect
expect
I'm earning
I'm
so much.
earning so much.
It's
It's
not like that,
not like that, and
you cannot
you
see
cannot
something
see
that is
something
not
that is
yet
not yet
on that.
on
But
that.
yes,
But yes,
I am
I am
learning.
learning.
So of
So
course the
of course
changes
the changes
that we are
that
looking
we are
for is
looking for is to
on the other
on the
side,
other
but
side, but
yes,
They kind of complement each other, yeah. And
yes,
you
yes.
when you get enough of one, you go to the other.
exactly.
Exactly.
Things are also
Things are also
better on the
better
other
on
side.
the other side.
Yes, I totally understand this. Yes. I also believe in multiple income streams, and I'm also a person who kind of gets bored quickly, and I like variety. Like in my job that I used to do before I got the baby, I had like 4 different roles there. And I was jumping from one to the other, to the other, to the other. And like this, I never got bored. And that was the way that worked for me. I do like variety, so I understand what you're saying. Yes.
It was tough
It was tough before, but
you get used to it.
used to it.
Yeah. What were your challenges? What were your challenges that you had to overcome when you started this business?
Of course, the time.
Of course, the time.
Yeah.
Because
I have
already dedicated
dedicated
entire
like
focus
focus
on
on
the restaurant.
the restaurant.
At first,
At first,
I was a little bit struggling
struggling
on
on
time
time
management.
management.
But
But
eventually,
eventually,
I'm able to settle to important things together. So
So
it works. It
works.
works now.
It works
Well
now
with me.
well with me.
Yeah.
That is the
I had.
I had.
I understand. For me, time was the biggest challenge as well. and still is. But right now, my baby is sleeping next door. And please
We don't
don't
wanna
be
wake up.
surprised. Don't be surprised if at any time you can hear a cry at the background, but hopefully not. So yeah, I had to fit everything around the baby, and it's a bit challenging, but it's doable.
Doable.
So
Yes.
we have to make the most of what we have and where we are at.
Yes.
Everyone has challenges and things to work around. And we have another comment. Someone else is watching us. This is Josephine. Hello. Hi, Pen. Thank you for watching us. Okay, so our last but least question. Did this business meet your expectations?
Oh, more
Oh,
than.
more than.
Actually, when
When I started,
since I know
since
that
I know that
quick scheme,
quick scheme,
I already
I
set
already set
that
that
okay, maybe
maybe
I'll get some
I'll get some
result
result
after
after
this
this
particular
particular
period of time.
period of time.
But I was so
But I was
surprised.
so surprised.
I just
That you got it quicker. You got it quicker, did you? Yeah.
enjoyed this
Enjoyed this
journey
journey
and just
and just
seeing
seeing
the progress
the
was
progress
so
was
fast
so
for me.
fast for me.
So yeah, it's
So
more
yeah,
than
it's more than
expectation.
expectation.
If I
If
can
I
say
can
it,
say
it's
it,
way
it's
more
way
than
more than
expectation.
expectation.
Yes, I can also confirm that Jade makes fast progress. She's in the fast lane. And well, I'm very happy to watch her how she's hitting her milestones, and I'm very very inspired to see her progress.
We will
So
all
thank
get
We will all
you.
get there.
Of course, I'm the opposite. I'm the
because
I'm
you're a
Because
big
we're
mom.
big mom,
You have a
you have a
baby.
baby.
So of
No,
course you have
no, it's
to
not just the baby. It's just people are different. You know, not everyone is the same. Some people are like, if we are like cars, you are like a Ferrari, probably. And I'm slow. But it's just different. People are different, and nothing wrong with that. We are just
nothing wrong.
different. That's it. Of course.
Yes.
Yeah,
all
I
have our
cannot be even without the baby, even if I have all the time in the world, I'm not a fast type of person. But I'm fine with that because it's who I am.
Yes,
So
of course.
Yes, of course.
yeah,
Any small
Any
progress
small
is
progress.
welcome.
exactly. Okay. So we are nearly approaching the end of our. Oh, we have Lisa watching us. Hi, Lisa. Hello.
Lisa,
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
watching.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. So now we are at the end of our interview. Could you, Jade, say any final words for our followers?
Okay.
Okay.
For
To
everyone
everyone
actually
that
that
has
has
been
been following
following
me and
me
for
and
me.
for me.
Okay.
Okay.
For me, it will
For
be
me,
just
it was
short.
just short.
Take the leap
Take the leap
and just
and
follow your
just follow
gut.
your guts.
And that's it.
And
Because
that's
that's
it.
what
Because that's what
happened to me.
happened to me.
I followed my
Followed
guts.
my guts.
And
And
there's no
there's
turning
no
back
going back
from here.
from here.
I know we are just
We are
going
just
forward
going
and
forward
forward
and
and
forward,
and up and up.
up and up and up.
So
So
nothing will
nothing
change
will
if
change.
that will change.
Yes.
That's it.
That's it.
Yes, Jet is absolutely right. Always listen to your gut. That's 100%. It may be for you, it may not be for you. It's only you who knows.
Mm-hmm.
So
Give it a shot.
have a look, check it out. If you're looking for something like that where you can be your own boss, you want to earn online, you want to supplement your income or replace your income, this is an option. You can have a look to see what it's all about. For the right people, it's an incredible opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
all you have to do is register with your name and email at my website or Jet's website. So mine is tonypetrova.com. Jet will put links to both our websites in a comment. Jet's is jetlopez.com. So after that, you will watch a free webinar, and from then the next step is pay $149, which is $100, which is 100% refundable. You will see the whole information about this business, and then you'll be able to decide whether it's for you or not. As I said, it's an option for the right people, and we'll be very happy to welcome you if you choose that this is something for you.
Exactly.
So with that said, shall we complete our interview and say goodbye to our
Thank you so
audience?
much. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Tony.
Thank you.
Very
Very
heartwarming.
I thank you. This was my first hosting.
You did it.
You did it.
Live stream hosting, and I was quite nervous, but there's always a first time for everything. So whatever we've done it, and that's it. Thank you, Jet. I'm so grateful that you were my guest today.
The pleasure is mine,
The
Tony.
pleasure is mine, Tony. Thank
Thank you.
you.
You did great.
You did great.
Thanks a lot. So, with that said, how do I stop this now? So, I can see. I see. Okay, bye everyone. We love you, and until the next one. Bye, Jet.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.